then 2008 BMW 335 Xi with xDrive N54 twin turbo engine with the misfire phenomena does not happen every single time. So another observation, this time it's a cold start. As you can see, it's pretty warm and the car has been sitting overnight, so it's a cold start. Let's see if there's any suspicious activity. So either I'm oversensitive or I can feel the misfire. Yeah, definitely misfires. Alright, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for your help. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you. Okay, so after some flooring, at the idle I got very uneven work, as you can